Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents data charges and speeds download. Next, open the App Store for your platform, Google Play on Android or the App Store on iPhone, and sign in if prompted, because updates require your account. Once the store is open, use the search bar to find Chrome or tap your profile and go to My Apps to list installed apps. This gets you straight to the update option. You now land on Chrome's app page. Glance at the version info to confirm why you're updating. Security patches and performance fixes are common reasons. Tap the Update button to start. If you prefer, choose Update All to handle multiple apps at once. While the download happens, make sure the screen doesn't trigger battery saver modes that pause background activity, and keep the device awake until installation starts, because interrupting the process can leave the app in a partial state. Once installation completes, open Chrome and go to Settings about Chrome to verify the new version. This confirms updates applied. If you notice crashes or odd behavior, restart your device first. That often resolves lingering resource conflicts. If updating failed, try clearing the App Store's cache on Android or uninstalling and reinstalling Chrome. This forces a fresh install and usually fixes persistent errors. If problems continue, make sure storage isn't full and retry the update process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.